At the start of the 17th century, there was a boom in the construction of castles and the towns around them all over Japan. Demand for building materials surged, and huge numbers of trees in Japan's forests were felled. Many mountains were left bare by logging. Unable to store rainfall, bare mountains led to a series of floods and other disasters. In response, the shogunate and local lords promoted reforestation and placed strict limits on logging. These policies gradually restored Japan's forests. The next great blow came in the Second World War. Due to the war, Japan suffered from acute fuel shortages, and trees were cut down indiscriminately. Once again, many of the forested slopes were left bare. After the war's end, with Japan at peace, the Emperor and Empress began to take part in an annual national tree planting festival. This led to a nationwide movement to restore Japan's forests. But at one site in western Tochigi Prefecture, the challenge of turning bare slopes green again was especially difficult. The Ashio copper mine was considered one of Japan's most polluted places. The sulfur dioxide gas produced during copper refining killed the trees on the mountainsides. Then the soil, which no longer had tree roots to stabilize it, was washed away by rain. In 1957, a project was launched to bring life back to this mountain of death. Local housewives played a key role in this project. They mixed grass seeds and fertilizer with soil and pressed it into slabs. They then laid these slabs on the mountainsides. They continued to refine their technique, making it more and more effective at keeping their plants from washing away. Finally, the plants began to take root, halting soil erosion. Then tree seedlings were planted. "50 years after the project began, about half of the area made barren by air pollution became green again. And the work continues to this day.